Before we start picking the rhubarb, we need to prepare a few things. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes and show you what is done in the packing and transport phases. Did you know that the vegetable becomes a food item as soon as it is removed from the plant? That's why the vegetables can only be placed in clean crates or packaging with food approval. I'll show you what that looks like now. This is the packaging warehouse. This is where the packing crates are stored, stacked on pallets, and shrink-wrapped. It's important to protect them from contamination by insects, birds, or rodents. From here, crates are brought to the field in a clean trailer. Crates may not be placed on the ground, so the empty crates remain on the trailer while the rhubarb is being picked. Full crates are also scanned and weighed there. After being harvested, the rhubarb may not touch the ground. Since the moment it is separated from the plant, it is considered a food item. The same goes for the crates which the vegetables are stored in. Once you have filled a crate, it may not be placed on the ground. You should use the van or trailer provided. From there, the vegetables are transported straight to further processing, to the cold store, or directly to stores in order to guarantee as fresh and high-quality produce as possible. Once you and your team have finished work, you should collect any excess packaging and rubbish. It's important to keep them separate and bring everything back to the farmyard so that the fields and packaging remain clean. Do you think these packaging and hygiene requirements seem excessive? Then think about who was on the fields before you. There are often rats, mice, deer, or domestic animals running about. I'm sure you'd like clean food, right? So there are a few things to remember when it comes to packaging and transporting the vegetables. Only use packaging provided by your enterprise, which is approved for food use. Make sure that the packaging is properly stored and cannot be contaminated. Only transport the packaging with clean vehicles or trailers. Do not place full crates or trays on the ground. Scan them, weigh them, or load them onto the vehicle immediately. Keep unused packaging and rubbish separate and take it back to the farmyard. Now that we've covered the essentials, we can begin the harvest. In the next video, I'll show you how to pick rhubarb.